Hi friends. So in the earlier section we have seen about some basic command like echo, kale, dat, clear and history. So we were wondering how one command supports multiple inputs and what it can support all the options. So for that we have something called a manual pages. So let's discuss about manual page in this video. Okay. So the manual page is described into 9 sections, and all sections contains a different variety of a content. For example, the first section contains a user command which has both executable and shell programs in it. The second one is system calls, like if you want to type ps, it that list all the running processes, so it will be in the system calls and it will fall into section 2. Okay, now if you want to type all the commands related to file, so it will be in section 5, which is file formats. And if you want to run any administrative commands or privilege command, it will be in section 8, and while running all these commands you will be asked for admin credentials. Okay, so let's over head over to the terminal and let's practice this. So I am back at my Ubuntu VM. Now, before discussing the man page or about man, so let me talk about path environment variable. So the path described where all your main folders are stored and what's their hierarchy, what's their preference. So first it will look at there, then it will look at here, and then it will look at here. Okay. So in earlier we typed date command, right? So if I want to find out where it is located, so I will type which date. So the date command is it's in which path. So it will tell you user bin date. So it will be in this of subpath. Okay, so there will be a date subfolder in there. Okay, so if I will type which, so which is also command. Let's see where is which. So it's in user bin which. So it's in there. Okay, what if I want to type which ps? So it's in user bin ps. Okay, so let's understand about main pages. So I don't know what's which does and how I can get more info about that. So I will type man option k, it will search for all main page directory, and I will type search, sorry, I will type which. So it is giving me what's all these thing. So basically man has searches these things related to which, and the one we are concerned about is this one, second last, which is locate command, and it is in which section? It is in one's first section. And what was the first section? First section was user commands. All right, the colon represent the it is in which section. All right, okay. Now if I want to talk about what what I can get info from the man command, so I will type man 1 because it is in one section, and which. So it's saying 1, it is in which section? So it is in general command section, and it's saying its name, what's its name, what it does, a basic description, then it has a long description, then it has a supported option. So it has only one supported option, that is a, and it is saying print all matching path name of each argument, and then it is something called a exit status, so it is which can be 0, 1 and 2. So we will discuss this in next lecture what's it's all this have. So I will exit by typing q. Also you do not need to enter one or one again and again. If you will type man which, you will be there. Okay, so we were talking about cal in the earlier lecture, so let's get info about that command. So I will type man cal. So when I cam, it's saying it is also in section 1. Okay, and it is also a general command manual. So what is why it is saying bsd, so it is including ncal also. So now we have typed option A and option B, capital A. Okay. So let's get to the capital A option. So here we are, and it is saying capital A options means a month to add after. And in our illustration, it also worked the same like it is. Okay. And option B, a month to add before. Okay. And as you said on the top, the capital B has different meaning, and here you can see small b has different meaning. So the small b here is use old style format for ncal input. So it will give you a old style format. Okay, I will exit. Now, what if I have a description like one command, it is used to list directory structure. Now, how I can get info about that command? So what I will do, I will type man option case search, and what the description should match. So the description should match like it should be list directory contents. Okay. Now if I will type enter, so it has four commands related to it. Okay. Now the third is in 8 section. So if I will type this command, it will ask me for admin credentials because it was a privileged command. But all three are in one option, which is user, cells, and executable program. And one we are concerned about is ls. Okay. So if I will type ls, so it is giving me all the things, or it is in there. Actually, not all. It is hiding some hidden item. So we will learn more about this in when we will learn Linux file structure there. So let's take help for man. What it has all the stuff in there. So if I will type man ls, so it's in section 1. It is in user commands, which is was first section. Then it has a name, then description, and it has all the options. So what does option A does? So option A, do not ignore any entries starting with the dot. So in Linux, the dot is like hidden file. So if I will give it as with option A, so it will give me all the files including hidden files too. Okay. And what is option L does? So option L does a use a long listing format. So for now it was showing a file like in the horizontal way. So how I can make as a long listing? So I will quit. Then I will type ls hyphen l. Okay. So it is giving me like long listing format. Okay. And what is ls hyphen a does? So it will give me all the inputs including the hidden also. And option L. So I have given here a multiple option that we are talking about in the earlier section. Okay. So it is giving me all the inputs, all the hidden files. So the file that was starting with the dot, it is hidden file, and the files that are in white color, so they are files, and the blue ones are folders. Of course, I can concatenate them by option LA together. So if I will type ls hyphen LA, so it will give the same input. So you can see that. Okay. Now, so yeah, that's it for the man pages. Now in the next section, we will learn about commands, standard input, standard output, and also we'll see how you can redirect them. Okay. So till then, take care and bye.